all these whiles on all the pages you guys have been saying that Amex is the best card, Amex is the best card, and so many people recommending you. So one among the reason is that Amex referral is very good. So I'm going to add my referral also on the bottom. But then, so there are so many benefits to the referral link if you're using. But then, leaving that up aside, that will be a separate video. But for now, what I'm trying to do is so you all guys know that the Amex is known for its membership reward points, and most importantly, the MRCC card, which is monthly spend based milestone, and there are a few other cards which also has a milestone benefits for which you have to enroll. But then I've been trying to look it in many places to find how to enroll. So fortunately I couldn't find many. I think this might be helpful if you are looking for an enrollment. So basically what you're going to do is I will paste the link at the bottom. So what you're going to do is go into that link, and then once you go into that link, so if you see the enroll now, so this is the link that I'm going to paste it. So all you got to do is log in yourself. Once you log in, please ensure that you're going to put your card number, the details of the card, and the verification. Please confirm and submit. And most importantly, what I notice is when you're applying for your credit card, this also gets clicked along with that. You also give your approval for the same thing. But for some reason, if this is not done, you got to go through this way, and please do enroll yourself so that you get all the benefits with regards to additional membership points every calendar month on spending 20,000 or more, because I've got a MRCC card. So this is based on that. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you guys.